Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. In this educational video lesson, you will learn important and common English words with pictures and examples which are related to Valentine's Day. Lovers. A lover is someone who has a romantic relationship with another person. Sarah and John are lovers and enjoy spending time together. Cupid. Cupid is a mythological figure, often depicted as a winged baby or cherub who is said to shoot arrows at people to make them fall in love. Example: Cupid is the most famous symbol of Valentine's Day. Arrow. An arrow in the context of Valentine's Day is a symbol of love and affection, often depicted as a heart-shaped arrow. Example: Cupid is usually depicted as a winged boy with a bow and arrow. Chocolate. Chocolate is a popular gift on Valentine's Day, often given as a symbol of love and affection. Example: John bought his girlfriend a heart-shaped box of chocolates for Valentine's Day to show her how much he loves her. Teddy bear. A teddy bear is a stuffed animal that is often given as a gift, especially on Valentine's Day. Example: For Valentine's Day, Emily gave her boyfriend a cute teddy bear to show how much she loved him. Gift. A gift is a present that is given to someone, often as a way to show love or appreciation, especially on Valentine's Day. Example: On Valentine's Day, John surprised his girlfriend with a beautiful bouquet of flowers and a thoughtful gift to make her feel special. Perfume. Perfume is a fragrant liquid that people use to smell nice. Example: This perfume has a light, fresh fragrance. Candy. Candy is a type of sweet treat that is usually made from sugar and other ingredients. Example: Too much candy is bad for your teeth. Balloon. A balloon is a type of object that is usually made from rubber or plastic and is inflated with air or gas. Example: I blew up a balloon for my little sister's birthday party. Card. A card is a type of rectangular piece of paper or cardboard that is often used for writing messages or greetings. Example: I'm sorry that I can't be with you on this Valentine's Day. I sent this Valentine's card to remind you that I love you. Ring. A ring is a circular band that is often worn on a finger as an accessory or as a symbol of engagement or marriage. Example: He proposed to her with a beautiful diamond ring. bouquet. A bouquet is a collection of flowers that are arranged together in a decorative way, often given as a gift or used for special occasions. Example: she received a lovely bouquet of roses from her admirer. Listen, repeat, practice. Thank you for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.